The Village of Hanover Park is constantly preparing for the future, and part of that means utilizing smart technology whenever possible to continually improve services for our residents and businesses. With this goal in mind, the Village has partnered with Siemens to provide our community with a new state-of-the-art water metering system. In the coming months, Siemens will be replacing all residential and business water meters in Hanover Park. So, why do we need new meters? The meter in your home or business is part of an aging infrastructure that continues to degrade over time. Your new water meters will utilize the latest technology and are guaranteed to perform for 20 years. Other reasons why this project is important. There are other benefits too. Currently, the Village collects water meter readings once per month. To do this, staff members have to drive by every one of the 11,000 water meters in Hanover Park. That's a lot of driving around, and it impacts our environment. With these monthly readings, there's also no way to detect water leaks until the resident or business gets their monthly bill. This wastes water and costs our customers money. How do we fix it? The new water meters are part of a cutting-edge technology also known as AMI, Advanced Metering Infrastructure. Once installed, these meters will transmit real-time water usage data in hourly intervals to two collectors located in the village. Leaks can be identified earlier, and village employees won't need to drive around the community to collect this information. Let's do a quick review of the benefits. Lowers the carbon footprint. No more driving around town to read 11,000 water meters per month. Reduces water loss. Leaks will be detected so large bills can be stopped before the next bill. Eliminates repairs or replacements. No more maintenance costs for degrading infrastructure. Provides more accurate billing. Customers will pay only for the water they use. So, what's next? In the coming weeks, Village Water customers will begin to receive postcards in the mail from Siemens. When you receive a postcard, please schedule an appointment for your water meter changeout. This process should take no longer than half an hour. On the day of your appointment, your installer from Siemens will be driving in a marked vehicle and arrive at your home or business wearing a Village ID badge and uniform. No installer will show up without an appointment, and you will not be asked to pay for anything. Once the changeout is completed, that's it. A simple process that benefits our community in so many ways. Please call Siemens at 866-416-0223 with any questions. Thank you in advance for your participation.